Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix and resolve automatic repair loop on Windows 10, and also guys this method will work in Windows 11. So you have to try these methods. So firstly, undo changes using system restore. So this is the first method, undo changes using system restore. So system restore rolls your system software back to its previous state by overwriting files on your PC's local drive. Use the following steps to perform system restore. Click on Advanced Options in Automatic Repair blue screen. Navigate to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, then System Restore. Choose the restore point created right before the blue screen appeared. Windows 10 create a system restore point each time it installed an update, drive or app. Then click on Next. Wait until the restore process finish, then restart your computer. So this is the first method guys. You can read and you can follow these steps. So first one, undo changes using restore point. Second method you can try, run built-in system repair tools. Windows offer built-in system file checker and chkdsk utility tools to check and repair missing or corrupted system files. So access these helpful tools using the steps given below. Firstly, restart your PC and press the F8 key. This will trigger the Windows troubleshooting menu. Then here select Advanced Repair Options. In the Choose an Option menu, click Troubleshoot. Under the Troubleshooter menu, select the Advanced option. Select Command Prompt in the Advanced Options. In the command prompt, type chk, this one, chk space /r space c semicolon, and hit enter. This command will check your drive for errors using the chkdsk utility and automatically repair them if possible. Second one, type sfc space /scan now and hit enter. So this is the first one. Once this process will finish and still you are facing problem, so type sfc space /scan now and hit enter. This will check the integrity of Windows system files using system file checker tool. Type exit to close the command prompt. Finally, restart your computer. And if guys you are facing a black screen, so you can try this method. If you received an error on a black screen, there are different steps to take. First one, boot into safe mode. In soft mode, you can uninstall device drivers, roll back Windows 10 updates, remove virus and more. So here how to launch your system in safe mode. Turn off your PC firstly. Download and install Windows installation media. If you have another PC or if you using mobile device, so visit this website or visit this URL and download this one, Windows 10 installation media. Then restart your PC. Upon rebooting, press F to F11 or delete to enter BIOS. So you can try to enter BIOS. Then fifth step, boost using Windows installation media. Under the Windows setup window, choose Next, navigate to repair your computer, troubleshoot advanced options, startup settings. Now here choose the safe mode, enable safe mode with networking, and enable safe mode with command prompt. So you have these options that meets your need. Once you entered your desired safe mode, run antivirus software to scan and remove virus. Delete problematic files by uninstalling incompatible software or drivers and update your device driver. So this is the first method. And second method, disable automatic repair. When all else fails, disable the automatic repair tool using the following steps. Insert a Windows installation disk or media into your PC. Select your language preferences and click Next. Click on Repair your computer. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Command Prompt. In the command prompt window, type bcdedit /set current recovery enabled no and hit enter. This command deletes problematic system files. And in the last, type exit and press enter. And also guys, you have these options. Go the extra mile, configure automatic backup on Windows 10. Sudden shutdown can crash your productivity, or worse yet, it can wipe out unsaved data, leaving you so this is the method guys you can try. And also guys, you can create automatic backup on Windows 10. So you have to follow these 15 steps, but 70 steps. Open settings and click on update and security. Click on backup. Under the looking for an older backup section, click on go to backup and restore. Under the backup or restore your files section, select setup backup option. So this is the method guys. You can read this article on my this techproadvice.blogspot.com, and you can try this method to fix this problem. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.